Traders, it's Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is run through our VIP signals and just show you how these have been shaping up. If you're considering our VIP, this would be the video to watch. Now, our signals are trade copy friendly. Most of them are trade copy friendly. So these will work with a program like TS Copier, for example. Now, you won't need to do anything. TS Copier would pick up the data from our signals pretty easily and automatically copy our trades from here onto your MT4. Okay, so you can see what we're getting here. So these are copy friendly signals. Now the other type of signals I'll be posting here, as you can see from our last week result here, CF is copy friendly and M is manual. So there's a gold trade. If we just go back and have a quick look at that, it'll be in the form of a video. Usually these are videos that I'm posting in the free channel, and of course I'm posting them here in VIP as well. Just see if we can find that gold. Okay, there it is here. Oh, that was the outcome. Just do a search further back, and that's the video. Okay, so the video will have my entry criteria, and I'll also point out where my stops and targets are. But we'll go through these trades and see what they look like in Tradingview. If you're looking to grow your account, well, have a look at the account history. So these are trades that went into VIP. There's one stop got hit down in here. That was a Euro CAD. But, you know, you can see these, well, there's a pretty good win rate. Some of these went to break even, but you can see that, you know, we're growing this account pretty well. It was 100,000 to start with. In the last week or two are up nearly 5,000. So yeah, it's a paper trading account that I use, but I will let you know that I'm also trading currently 4 prop firm accounts that are running in profit. One of them is a funded account. The others 3 are challenges. Okay, so I've just marked these up in green. These are trades that we've taken in VIP. Okay, so we'll just run from the top down, and I'll explain why I'm taking these trades. So you can see the little blue arrow here. The red arrow exit was here. There's a 1 hour result with this one. It's a pretty simple strategy. We're just looking for the 4 hour time frame, or the 1 hour time frame, to retrace. This one we got in a bit late, but generally we're looking for the 4 hour to pull back, 4 hour to be in a trend. So we've got these 3 points marked up. Let's just quickly go to the 4H. And what we're looking for is the entry point on these retraces. Okay, that was a 4 hour retrace. 4 hour needs to be trending. And you can see the orange line where I marked up the 15M entry points here, and our trade was down in here. Okay, so when the 4 hour stacks up, we are looking for a pullback on the lower time frame to get involved. This was a scalp, and what we need to see on the chart is this green bar. Okay, so the 4H is on stacks up, it's pulling back. That's the 4H. We've got a green bar under. It's telling us that the 1D and the 4H have a strong bullish momentum. Okay, so we look for the rotation on the 15 or the 5 minute, and that's where we enter. Or we can pull a Fibonacci from any of these swing low, swing high, retrace. Swing low, swing high, retrace. Now, our signals will get you in early on in the trend. See this point of interest on the 4H, this rotation here? That's an ideal entry. Swing high, swing low. Okay, back in here where you see this breakout. Anyway, we'll just run through these. Aussie yen was the next one. Okay, so let's just have a look at this point of interest here on the higher time frame. What's it look like on the 1H? Okay, 1H, it's trending, and we're looking for that pullback. Let's have a look at the same thing on the 4H. Let's pull that across. I would be looking at this swing here for a buy down in here. The next swing goes from here to here, pull back down, and that was our entry in there. A bit difficult to see it on the 4H, but we can see it's trending nicely. The 1 hour was a bit easier to pick it. Yeah, but you can see my entry point here on the 15M. I'm also looking at things like this, stop run, and then break above. See that? Break above this range, pull back. And I've talked about this price action in pretty well all of my videos. Euro Oz. Remember, these are trades that went into VIP. Okay, here we are. It was taken here. I actually exited there after it kind of did that. Wasn't sure whether it was going to continue. But the entry was based on the fact that we have this and we're trending down as it was. I mean, it ended up being a really nice outcome. If you managed to follow that all the way, that would have been a pretty big payout. But that's okay. We just keep taking money out of the markets. I don't give myself a hard time if I exit a trade at 1R and it does that. I absolutely don't. I've taken money out and I'm happy. As long as I have a winning week every week, this is really all I want. Guys, if you like what you see, definitely jump on board. It's really affordable at the moment. I've dropped the price right back to $19.95 a month. Okay, that's the equivalent of shouting me a hamburger and chips once a month, and you get exceptional value, to say the least. So head over to the website, jump on board with us, and enjoy the journey. EuroCAD. This was the one that got taken out. Remember, there was one stop loss hit. Doing what I normally do, but see how I'm getting in late in this trend? The best trades are going to be at this first break. So I'm following that, thinking that's going to happen. But of course, and towards the end of the week, you want to be careful. Into Fridays, you're going to find that smart money will turn the market around and hit stops very aggressively. I won't be trading Fridays. See, this is Thursday here. Have a look down the bottom. Thursday, Friday. See that? There it is, Friday. And look what they do, okay? So I've made a rule now. I don't trade on Friday. Euro yen. Okay, here it is. Just went with this cloud break, the green bar under, and the pullback. Okay, this one was on Thursday, I think. Yeah, Thursday the 9th of May. You can see down the bottom. We took that trade. Nice outcome. Euro dollar. Did a video on this. I was talking about this price action, the stop run, and then the displacement. That was a nice outcome. Pound yen. This one's, we set it up, and Tuesday it triggered. 30-minute chart, and I talked about building positions, if a trend was going to be continuing. Maybe watch my last pound yen video. This one entered here, Tuesday the 7th of May. Kiwi yen. Yeah, we had a couple of these over the last week or so, but they were a really nice outcome, as you can see. Yeah, we closed on the red dot here. There's your entry, close, but the thing kept going. Resistance. Yeah, then it broke through. Dollar CAD. So you can see we've got a pretty high success rate, but I think, you want to look at the risk return factor rather than the win rate. Win rate really is no measure of success. You can have a high win rate and lose money, and you can have a low win rate, 40%, 30% win rate and make a ton of money. I hope you know what I'm talking about. So really it's the risk reward factor. We want to try to maximize our risk reward. Sometimes I'll close at 1R, but really want to aim for 2R and more. If we can get a couple of 2R, 3R outcomes throughout the week, that makes all the difference. Now these 3R or more trades are going to see a lower win rate because we're chasing this higher risk reward outcome. Okay, so if we're looking for 3R to break even, we need 30% win rate, something like that. I know with a 2R outcome, you're looking at less than a 40% win rate to break even. In any case, we're already achieving a fairly high win rate. So I think, next week we'll just keep tweaking things, and, we'll try to aim for some higher risk reward outcomes. And the way that I would plan this would be, because I'm wanting a winning week every week, you want to get a couple closed in profit early. All right. So let's say Monday or Tuesday, we close 2 trades at 1R, for example. That means we are up 2R. If I'm up 2R, I'm going to then look for another opportunity with a 2R outcome. Knowing that I'm already up 2R, I'll take the risk and go for that. If I lose it, we're just back to square one. So it's no big deal. It's a break even. But if we achieve it, we go up to 4R. So the next trade I might look for either a 2 or a 3R outcome, knowing that I've already got 4R behind me in the week. You see what I'm saying? So I'm looking to build on this. If we go for a 3R trade and we lose it, well, knock 3 off that and we've made a 1R profit and we're still up. But if we win a 3R and we're already up 4R, there's a 7R outcome. You see what I'm saying? So you want to, it's a psychological game. And this is how I prefer to play it. Every week, I want to come out ahead, and I enter cautiously, generally early in the week, and I look to build my R profit. Right? The more of these I get behind me, the more risk I'm going to take as the week goes by in terms of increasing my R factor. And you also want to be looking at pulling your stop loss to break even fairly early and go for these, 2R, 3R trade outcomes. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. In any case, we've got a couple of left here. We'll have a look at them. Yeah, you see like a couple of these trades here were so profitable if we would have let them go. And I mean, look at the outcome here, for example. What's this? We're looking at a 3R. This one here would have been, if we let that one go. So we're looking at 7.8, say call it a 7R. See, 1 out of 7 to break even, right? So you only need one of these trades. So if you've got a few behind you during the week, I mean, that just kept going. There's 8, there's 9, there's 10R. Look at it, 9.8 and the rest. No, yeah, 9.8, okay. Just depending how well you read it, right? But that did achieve a 10R if, 10.7. So there's a 10R possibility here if we read it well and went for these, but at some stage it's going to roll over. Yeah, I mean, it messed around in here for a while, so you don't know what's going to happen though. That's the thing. I'm pretty cautious, and I really just want to be ahead during the week. A 1 hour outcome in a week, and I'm stoked. Okay, that's in the money. But any less than that, I would like to avoid, and anything above that is absolutely a bonus. And then we had oil. I think we had gold. Oh, we traded gold as well. See, oil, that was a nice trade, and then we had gold. What was happening here? Oh, yeah, that was another. Look at it. Okay. Anyway, it might have been on the higher time frame. But, you can see what we're doing here. We're getting some really good results, guys. And I invite you to join VIP. And, there's last week's results. 11R if you traded the manual trades as well as the trade copy friendly TS copier. Okay, some of these you don't have to do anything, just set it up automatically, and then the others will help you to start becoming a bit more autonomous rather than just blindly following signals. Okay, the goal of this is to help you to become an independent, profitable trader. So, you get the signals to give you a bit of a help, but to give you a bit of a boost, but the videos, that's the next step to autonomy. You've got my ideas in the videos, and then it's up to you then to place your trade and set your stops and targets. And then you've got access to the indicators and all my members only tutorials, and yeah, it's an education, and I would say join us in VIP, and all I'm asking is for you to shout me a cheap lunch. Now, I really think what I've got here is of incredible value, guys. I want to share this. I really get a lot of joy out of sharing it. I don't need to charge a lot of money. I don't want to give it away for free, but you do that and you have access to everything. Okay, so with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and look forward to seeing you in VIP.